Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. It's 7 o'clock in the evening here right now. We are at the backyard. I just want to go for a walk here quickly. We have a warning of thunderstorm and just want to do a video before it happened and just want to show you how it looked like right now. So we have a new bird bath. We just purchased it recently at the Home Depot. It was on sale and I really liked it. We're trying to find a place for it. So for now, it can stay there until it find a good spot for it. So let's see what's going on the side here. The rose is still blooming. This is the Swiss chard that I just placed in between the two roses. And yeah, the other rose just done blooming, but look, there's many more blooms. And I just want to show you the two hydrangea that I purchased at the Lowe's. So guess what? I have this Cityline Venice compact big leaf hydrangea from Proven Winners, and this is $32.99, and I got it for only, it went down to $15, but I only pay for $8 for it. So I'm so happy and excited to plant it soon here in the garden. And then I have another one right here. This is a hydrangea, peachy hydrangea. So this is $22.99 as well. And I paid for $8 as well for this one. So it is a really good buy at Lowe's. So I am trying to see where I'm able to plant it, and that's the two addition here in the garden. And I just want to share with you this Floribenda rose showbiz. So pretty. I really liked it. So in this area it will get 8 hours of sunlight, and that would be good enough for the roses. It just stopped raining, so I said I'm going ahead and take a video. Yes, before the storm. The alyssum are blooming nicely. And the dahlia, look at the dahlia, it's so pretty. So the weather is starting to change. Overnight it is cooler, so if you notice, the leaves of the blueberry is changing color as well. So that means that fall is coming. But before that, I like to enjoy what's blooming in the garden and what we have right here, right now. I am so happy to see the blooms of zinnias. This is the star right now here in the backyard. The hummingbird is just loving it. We have many hummingbirds that comes here every day. They almost come every hour. So especially early morning and supper time. So so I try not to come out here to give them the privacy. So all the Annabelle hydrangea at the back, their color is starting to change now. It is white and now it's turning into like lime green color. So I am planning to plant one of the PG hydrangea right here to give more privacy here at the back. I mean where the fence is. It will grow up to 5 feet, so that would be good enough to give more privacy here in the backyard. And I have 2 blueberry plants, so one on that side right there, and there's another one right here. So yes, the color of the leaves are changing. That means fall is coming. But anyways, we have to enjoy the garden for now before everything is changing. But yeah, slowly it's changing here at the garden. So the pawpaw white echinacea, it's changing color as well. And I am going to collect the seeds soon for this. Right now it's not ready yet, so I'll leave it. The autumn joy is changing color. It's going to turn into pink. And we have the black eye Susan right here. I have placed this little dish right here. This is for the butterfly, bees, drink some water, some little insects. The birds come here at the water fountain. Especially the finch. They love to come here in the afternoon and get washed. So the petunia is starting to go, but there's still a few blooms on it. I really like this petunia. Here's the snapdragon that I planted from seed. There's only a few blooms left as well. And the cascade flower. So in this arbor, the new down rose that I just planted during I think it was early spring, now is reaching to the top. I hope it will give me flower before the season is finished. But I am so surprised that this type of rose, climbing rose, is growing really fast. I really admire the zinnia. So this is the giant zinnia. It's a mixed color, and yeah, it's really the show right now here in the backyard when everything is slowing down. They are blooming nicely. Another hydrangea that I have in here. As you notice, the color is starting to change as well. It is white and now there's some pinkish color that's coming out now. It's because at night the weather is starting to change and it's getting colder at night. The blazing star that I have in here. And this is another hydrangea that I have trained. It was a shrub hydrangea, so I clean up the rest of the stem and I just left one stem and trained it into a tree. So far it's doing really good, and I'm excited for that next year. I have one cosmos plant right here and it looks wild. It has so many blooms. Bees love it so much. So it's very nice to spend time here at the garden, especially at night or at this time. I usually just sit down in here, watch the birds, especially the hummingbirds. They are so beautiful. Or sometimes, you know, I just relax and enjoy my tea while watching all the insects, the pollinators flying around me. It's a very therapeutic garden and I love it. And I'm planning, I think, next year to add more flowers, which is perennials, so that it would be easy to take care and it's low maintenance. And yep, I don't need to keep planting every season. Oh wait, there's a surprise right here. Oh wow, look, I have strawberries. Nice. There's 3 right there. That's good. Oh, there's more actually right here. There's another one right there. This is called ever-bearing strawberries, so it fruits the whole season. And in here I am trying to grow a echinacea from seeds. So I just dropped the seeds today, and hopefully before winter, or I mean before the cold season come, I'll get some echinacea so that I can plant it right away in the garden. So this morning I wake up early. Well, it's my day off. I don't need to go to work this morning, so I did clean up the vegetable garden. Look, it's look like bare now. So I still have some tomatoes right here. I have harvested it already. And this volunteer acorn squash, I'm going to harvest soon. And then I clean up some of the squash that I have in here, the turnips and some of the greens. And I have planted bok choy already from seeds in here in this container. So that's the bok choy. I just drop the seeds in here and they just grow. Very easy to grow. The rain is coming. Oh, it's starting to rain actually. And here's the tomato. My indeterminate tomatoes is right there. And yep, we're gonna close this. So yeah, I'm going to plant some greens here tomorrow, like kale, Swiss chard, and I'm going to add some spinach and lettuce as well in here, so that I have another harvest before winter. Anyways, it's starting to rain, and I think I am going to end this garden walk, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.